What was it?
King's Chamber resonance.
What does that do?
We use that primarily for meditation, just use it with earphones.
Okay. And what is it based on?
It's based on the mathematical calculations for the perfect resonance of the King's Chamber. This was developed from the work of John Keely, a scientist in the 1800s. And Keely did some rather remarkable work with sound. He could play a violin and make his motors turn. He developed a method of tunneling through rock using sound where the rock simply disintegrated. And he was able to lift some kind of an anti-gravity technology. He was able to lift 500-pound weights and, just pick them up with one hand, move them about in the laboratory.
Using sound technology.
Yeah. And at one point, he had some excess equipment in the shop that he needed to get rid of. So he just made it real heavy and it sunk into the floor. And he just concreted over it. Yeah, that was discovered several years after he passed away. And he was able to generate electricity and all sorts of neat stuff that was suppressed or not accepted by the scientific community.